Bleeding heart, look,
Yeah.
it's beautiful. This garden is so massive. You have to look at the map to know where we're going. Nice fountain over there.
One of two Chatsworth, I mean,
Oh, if you want to go, you can.
no, that's the garden.
Beautiful. That's the Chatsworth house.
Well, we'll never see it all the time, you know, until we do it.
Big, huge garden. There were Harry Potter movie made.
Here, was it?
That one. I read it in the
I won't see.
not all. Not all the sets.
Who's buried there, I wonder?
Oh,
Tomb of some sort of.
it's a coffin.
Tomb, yeah.
Tomb. Oh, look at this. I didn't know it's going up this one. The road. Oh, look at that. It's coming now. Look at this garden. The farm, the daffodil is quite big. It'd be very nice when they were still in season. Yeah. Cottage garden. In the cottage garden, we grow flowers, vegetable knowledge, and confidence. Each year, this space is given over to one of your trainee gardeners to design, plant, and nurture. They do this with the help of our garden. So this is garden is for someone who want to learn. Huh? Oh, look at this arch, beautiful. Apples. There are apples. Yeah.
Around them.
Yeah. This is also apple tree. Some water there. Swimming.
Never ending, huh? It is, yeah.
Cutting trees. Look at that
Bamboo.
bamboo. What do you call that red leaves plant?
The tree,
Yeah,
Acacia.
Acer.
Acacia. A-C-I-A.
Yeah, Acer. Acer. Red. Nice red. These are the bluebells. Huh? Yeah. Oh, that's huge there.
That's not an ace of that one.
No?
That's
is one rhododendron here. Big rhododendron. Starting to flower now. It's a bit early, yeah?
No, I know, I'm fine. I'm right. It's just that this year
Nice flower. And we're going there. What's that golden thing on top? What does it mean? So this is another different kind of garden. I think it's music, notes.
Oh, you could be right, yeah. I don't know. Looks that way, don't it?
Yeah. Welcome to the kitchen and cutting garden. So all the kitchen thing, you herbs or for cooking is here. Oh, that's nice. Huh? Lettuce. Look at this apple.
They grow up, yeah.
Apple made into a, what you call that?
Arborium, I think.
Yeah. No, it's apple.
No, I think the shape is called an arborium.
Or an
I
arch.
think.
Arch. I have one. Right? Oh,
How have they done that?
they put them together.
That would be nice in the front garden, mostly.
Yeah,
And the pond.
quite healthy.
Primrose and
Oh, there are tiny plants coming. Oh. I don't know what's that.
Primrose broad bean is very early.
Yeah. Huh? Apple. Again, apple. I wonder what this one called is. This one. This. Looks
It looks a bit like
very, very healthy.
it looks like artichoke type thing.
Mm. Forget me not. Where are they?
They're up there somewhere.
This is the wild strawberries.
This one.
That's kind of herbs. This? Look.
What's that smell, Lucy? You know?
Ah, fennel.
Is that fennel?
No, sweet smell.
Fennel,
So they use this to cook chard. Oh, look at another.
what's that one on the tree?
That's the one in the allotment. Artichoke. That is called artichoke. These are the basil. Wild strawberries.
Wild strawberry then.
Yeah. They're still planting this warm weather just starting. Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, that's not bad. You go up there and then turn up there.
You can't enter here, but it's nice inside. Early poppies. It's in the greenhouse. These are all herbs used for the kitchen. Look at the what do you call it? Chives with the purple flowers, and I think onions on the white ones. It's a lot. viola, purple one. There's plenty. And this is a tree. I don't know what it's called. This is pear made into an arch. See? It's nice. So this is a very big garden and a lot of things, plants to see. This is violas, purple one, and there are many kinds of violas over here. And I use the flower to different culinary dishes. You can eat actually the flowers. I saw in Master Chef they put these flowers in the food. I haven't eaten it yet, but it's edible. There, my husband. And here are the rhubarb. They're still small. In the house we have a massive rhubarb. It looks great. And that belongs to this house there. The one, the dome. It's the Chatsworth house. I think it's 150 or more acres of land. Hi. They made use of the space. They put chives in here along the border and the edges all the way through. So when they flower and they have a purple flower, it will be very beautiful. This is the flower, the chives. I showed you before. That one. So when they all flower, it will be fantastic display of purple all the way there. What? Oh, rhubarb. That could be last 2 years ago. 2 years ago. They planted it 2 years ago. This is celery. It's big. Mustard. Add this one, celery, rhubarb. They're all there. Ah. Perhaps they will they take when they need it. They leave, or they leave it for the birds.
All
The old
fruit growing, but there's not much to put the blackbird in there, are there?
yeah, a lot. I wonder what they do with
They
the.
roll it up and then freeze it in somehow.
Could be. Look at the apples. All you put. They trim, put in a like in a vine. So when they fruit, you just pick up one here and there. Huh? I think they are down there. Down there. There. Up there. Oh, Oh, there's plenty more of plants. They use a lot of manure to grow.
That's
Leeks.
most of the trees. Well, it's all, it's not manure, that's
Bark.
mark, yeah, under the trees. What do you call it?
Ah, from the decomposed leaves. That's good. These are I forgot this called, but this is, has like rose flower. Huh? I think there are cows there. Over there.
Cows, where?
There in the shade.
No, compost.
That one?
Yeah, full of compost.
Ah. Garden view.
I can't work out, they got red currants, black currants, gooseberries, everything in there. That's